What is going on, lawn crew? It's Aaron with Lansing Lawn Service. Today I want to introduce to you a brand new series. I've never done series before. I'm starting one right now. This channel is all about helping you start and grow your lawn care business. So the title of this series is Lawn Care Lessons from the ER. Most of you probably don't know that I used to work in a hospital before I started my lawn care business. My job in the hospital was working in the emergency department, drawing blood. I'm a phlebotomist, and I went to school for phlebotomy. In the emergency department, there were so many lessons that I learned, so much experience that I got from dealing with people. And a lot of this stuff that I'm going to be talking about in this series is going to be how to deal with different people and different situations in your lawn care business, but through the eyes of someone who is working in the emergency department. I have seen countless people pass away in the ER. I've seen many sick people. I've drawn blood from people who were puking right next to my head. I have drawn blood from people that have swallowed massive amounts of cocaine and had to have 9 people hold them down. I have so many stories, and I hope you guys will stick with me through this series. It's going to be about 8 parts. Each one is going to be a different video. It's going to be awesome. I can't wait to tell you guys these stories. So I hope that you guys stick with me through this series. I know there's a ton of lessons that you guys can learn through these stories. Not just one lesson, but there's many lessons through each story. I'm going to point out the lessons that I took from those and applied them to my lawn care business and dealing with people and situations. This is going to be such an awesome series. I can't wait for you guys to see these stories. And I will see you in the next one.